Hi, I'm Jonah Cayson. I'm the delivery specialist here at Wilsonville Subaru, and I'm here to show you where your spare tire or your fix-a-flat is in the back of your brand new Subaru. I have a 2024 Outback Limited XT right here. And first things first, we're going to show you where the spare tire is on this car. Underneath the floor mat, when you open up the rear of your car, you're going to find all of your toolkits for your roadside. So you have your scissor jack as well as all of the tools necessary to be able to change your tire. Now, Jonah, you ask, where is the tire? Well, I'm getting there. Don't get ahead of me now. Underneath this styrofoam piece, we have a temporary tire that you'd be able to use for around 30 to 50 miles to be able to get you to your local Subaru dealership, hopefully that is us, to be able to get you back on the road safe and sound. All you would do is unhook it from here by twisting that little knob, get it on out, and go ahead and change that tire up, put everything nice and neat back, and you are all set to go to come on by so we can get you fixed up. There are other models that have it in a different location. Let's go check those out. If you're one of our sports cars enthusiasts, you would have a WRX, which I don't blame you, they're beautiful cars. In the rear of your WRX, you would pop open the trunk and reach down and grab, and then you lift up and you would see your spare tire kit right here. Well, more like fix-a-flat tire kit. You have your fix-a-flat solution here, as well as a pump right here. And right underneath all of here is your entire toolkit to be able to jack your WRX up to be able to fix that flat. Now, the Ascents are completely different. Let's go check that out. Now we're at the brand new 2023 Ascent Tourings. Now, to get to the tire, you actually have to go inside, but the tire is on the outside. So let's go to the inside so we can get to the tire on the outside. So once you open up the rear gate here, you're gonna have your panel. Now you're gonna have to remove all cargo that you have in there, reach here to get underneath the panel, and now you're gonna find all your toolkits. You have a couple areas for the toolkits, one being here, 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 and a panel here. This is the one that we're gonna have to worry about. You open this panel up, you're gonna have your tire iron, an extra little tool that's gonna be more or less a wrench for you, and then this is for your jack. You're gonna grab out your tire iron, grab out the wrench, and this is how you're gonna have it. You're gonna then open this little piece up here. You're gonna find this rubber piece. Open this on up, you're gonna find a bolt. Then you just put it to the bolt, crank, 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 and underneath the vehicle where the rubber is, the rubber will move down to meet the road. Get it? You open it up, and you'll be able to get yourself on your way. If you want to know where your jack is, that is right behind this panel here. Your jack is all nice and secured right behind this panel here. Hopefully this helps you in a time of need with an Ascent or any other vehicle when you're out on the road, so you can get that temporary tire on, bring it over to us so we can get you figured out, get you a new tire on there, and get you back on the road. It's been Jonah at Wilsonville Subaru. Hope you have a great day. I'm out.